Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, mostly are about sewing and machine tutorial. This time I want to add pattern making video to my channel. My first pattern making video will guide you on how to draft your own skirt block. Once you have your skirt block, you can create lots of skirts in different style, from a basic skirt, A-line skirt, even a wrap skirt too. Okay, so to begin with, you're gonna need to prepare the tools you needed. A large size of paper, then you're gonna need a straight ruler, curved ruler. This kind of ruler can be bought easily at sewing supply store. Next, you need a pencil and eraser of course. And last but not least, a measuring tape. Before we start drafting, you're gonna need to measure your waist, hip, and skirt length first. After you measure your waist, hip, and the skirt length you want, we can start drafting. I'm showing a guidance picture on the right side that you can also download the PDF down at the description tab along with the written instruction. First, I'm starting with the back skirt. I'm making a straight line from the A1 to C1. The length is the skirt length you desire. I am using standard length at 60 cm. Then I mark 21 cm down from A1 and mark it as B1. So now we already have A1, B1 and C1. Draw a vertical line from B1. It's the total hip length divided by 4 plus 0.25 cm. Then draw vertical line with the same length on C1 to C2. Next, pull up a line from C2 goes through B2. A2 is 2 cm higher than the A1 line. Now we already have A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, and C2. Next, we need to mark A3. A1 to A3 is back hip measurement divided by 3, usually around 7.5 to 8 cm. After that, mark A4 3 cm from A3. A5 is in the middle of A3 and A4, so it's 1.5 cm from A3. It's the center of the back dart. Draw a straight line down to B11. Dart length is 3/4 of A5 to B11. After that, curve a line from A2 to A4. Then to mark the A6, it's the total waist length divided by 4 minus 0.25 cm without a dart. So you need to omit A3 to A4 when measuring from A1. Then trace a curved line from A6 to B2. And that's our back skirt. Now moving on to the front skirt. I begin by continuing the hip line from the back skirt. Then around 5 cm gap, I draw a straight line from A11 to C4. After that, I draw the A7 line. It is 0.8 cm higher than the A1 back skirt line. For the front hip line, it comes from total hip length divided by 4 plus 1.75 cm. So if you have a total hip length of 100, you divide this by 4 and then plus 1.75 cm. C4 to C3 length is similar to B4 to B3. After you have B3, draw a line up and down to get the A7 and C3. Next, we need to place the front dart. A7 to A8 is 0.5 more than the back, usually around 8 or 8.5 cm. A9 is in between of A8 and A10. Then draw a vertical line down from A9. To mark the front dart length, measure half of A9 to B12. Then pull a line to A8 and A10 from D2. After that, curve line from A10 to A11, which is 1.2 cm above A7 line. To get the A12, you need to count total waist length divided by 4. And then after that plus 1.25 cm. This formula doesn't count the dart, so you need to omit the dart when measuring from the A7. Done with A12, now I give CF mark for its center front. I will trace the outer line with a red marker so it is easier for you to see the skirt block shape. after finish everything, you can transfer the block to a thicker paper or maybe a more transparent paper, so it is easier for you to copy the block when you decide to draft another skirt. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give like and subscribe, and see you on my next one.